Elephant and Friends. A lonely elephant was looking for friends in the forest. The monkey declined to be the elephant's friend because the elephant could not swing in the trees. The rabbit turned the elephant because it was too big to fit in the burrow. The frog refused to be the elephant's friend because it could not jump. Every other animal said no to the poor elephant. The next day, all the animals in the forest were running away in fear. The elephant stopped a bear who said that the tiger was attacking them all. The elephant nicely asked the tiger to stop, but the tiger told the elephant to stay out of the way. The elephant proceeded to kick the tiger and scare it away. The other animals then realized that the elephant was a perfect size to be their friend. So, dear kids, the moral we learn from the story is: friends can be any shape or size.